Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a higher mathematics class of class 9. Our today's topic is exercise 11.3. This is our today's topic, question 6 and 7. These two questions are two word problems. I will solve these two questions in our today's class. Our today's lecture number is 12. Homework number is 9. Dear students, our today's homework is CW to HW. It means that two problems I will solve in our today's class, question 6 and 7 from exercise 11.3. These two questions you have to do as your homework also. Okay, dear students. So let us see at first question 6 and then solution of 6 and then question 7, solution of question 7. So see question 6. Prove that the points A0, B, 0b and C 1 1 are collinear if 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1. It means that here A, B, C are 3 points. A, B, C are 3 points. If these 3 points are collinear, then we have to prove the condition this one, 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1. So we can say here A, B, C collinear means A, B, C, these 3 points lie on the same straight line, So as they are on the same straight line, so we can say here AB is a straight line or BC is a straight line. As these 2 points are collinear, as these 3 points are collinear, so the slope formed by these points AB and BC will be equal. Slope formed by the points AB and BC will be equal. It means that the slope of the line passing through point A and B is equal to the slope of the line passing through point B and C. It means slope of line AB and slope of line BC must be equal. Okay. So using this condition we can solve question 6. So we can write 6 solution. Given A0, B, 0b and C 1 1, B 3 points. 3 points. Now we can determine the slope. When 2 points are given, how can we determine the slope? If 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. If these 2 points are given, then we can determine the slope between these 2 points using the formula slope will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Using this formula, we can determine the slope of the point A and B. It means the line passing through A and B. It means that the slope of the line AB. So we can see here the slope of the line AB. It means line AB means the line passing through point A and B. So consider this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2, this is y2. Our formula is y2 minus y1. Here y2 is B minus y1 is 0. Is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here x1 is 0 and x2 is 0, x1 is A. So we can say y2 minus y1 is equal to by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. So we can write this means, or we can write below here, we can write B by minus A. B by minus A. So we can write now again slope of the line passing through point B and C, it means slope of BC. Slope of the line BC, that will be equal to y2 here, y2 is 1, y1 is b, so we can write 1 minus b, and x2 is 1, so we can write x1 is 0, so that is 1 minus b by 1 minus 0. These are two slopes of two straight lines AB and BC. These are two slopes of two straight lines AB and BC. So we can say, as the 3 points are collinear, so their slope will be equal. So we can say 1 minus b by 1, that means 1 by b, that these two slopes are equal. We can write here as, if the points are collinear, or we can say the points will be collinear if the points A, B and C will be collinear. If this slope of AB and slope of BC are equal, if, so we can write B by minus A is equal to 1 minus b by 1. So we can write here b equal to, if we multiply by minus a plus ab. So we can take here in the left side a, it will be positive, plus here is b, that is equal to ab. Now if we divide both sides by ab, this will be a plus b divided by ab is equal to ab by ab. I have divided both sides by AB, so we can write here A by AB separately we can write, and B by AB, that is equal to 1. If we cut AB and AB, we will get here 1. Therefore, if we cut A and A, this will be 1 by B plus this is 1 by A, that is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 1. So this we need to prove. See the question, if 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1, then the points A, B, C will be collinear. So we can say, if this condition hold, then the points A, B, C are collinear. Okay dear students, so I hope you have understood the solution of question 6. Dear students, we have to solve the question 7 now. Now see the question 7 at first. If the points A, B and C are collinear, prove that. Then we need to prove. If the points A, B, C are collinear, then we need to prove this. Dear students, so we can say these two questions are similar. As these two questions are similar, in this case also we need to determine the slope of the line AB and slope of the line BC. If we can determine the slope of the line AB and BC, then applying the condition, these two slopes will be equal as they are collinear. So we can write here 7. Now solution of 7. Okay dear students, so we can write here 7 solution. We can write given A, AB, B, BA and C 1 by A, 1 by B. B 3 points, B 3 points. Okay, now determine the slope of AB and slope of BC. So we can write slope of AB. slope of the line AB. It means the line passing through the point A and B. So here we can say this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y2 is A and y1 is B. So we can write A minus B, and divided by, we have to write x2 minus x1. It means B minus A. B minus A. Now we can write again slope of BC, or slope of the line BC. That will be here x1 x2, x1 y1, x2 y2, x1 y1, x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, y2 means 1 by b, minus y1 is a. Here x2 minus x1, 1 by a minus b, x2 minus x1. So we can say these two must be equal. So we can calculate here, we can simplify, or we can simplify in the solution portion where I will form the condition. We can simplify here also. Take the LCM b. This will be 1 minus AB. Take the LCM. Here is A. This is 1 minus AB. So we can write here 1 minus AB by 1 minus AB into, this is B. So we can write here, as I have given multiplication, here will be A and here will be 1 minus AB. So this factor must, so we can write here A by B. A by B. Okay, dear students, so we can say now, as the points A, B, C, A, B and C are collinear, So we can say their slope must be equal. So we can say, therefore we can say slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. It means A minus B by B minus A. A minus B by B minus A is equal to A by B. A by B. Now we can calculate here. If we take here A minus B, take minus 1 is common, you will get here A minus B. So this is A by B. So we can write here minus 1, 1 by minus 1, 1 by minus 1, that is equal to A by B. We can cut A minus B and A minus B. We can write here this. So we can write B equal to minus A. Therefore A plus B equal to 0. If we take A in the left side, this will be positive and right side will be 0. So we can say what we need to prove, A plus B equal to 0. Now see the question here. We need to prove that A plus B equal to 0. So condition satisfied here. It means that I have proved A plus B equal to 0 when the points A, B, C are collinear. Okay, dear students. So we can write here proved. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question 6 and 7. These two questions you have to do as your homework. This is your homework 9. Do your homework properly, submit your homework timely. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents. Stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.